Hi everyone, welcome to the accumulation and momentum data analysis for 6th of August. Today the markets were under a lot of pressure because of the Trump tweet that kind of suggested that he is going to put additional tariffs on India because of the Russian oil that we are buying. He is definitely not happy about it and is threatening India to put more tariffs because of that, right? So, except for the Bank Nifty, which tried to recover a bit and went into the green but ended flat, rest of the indices kind of closed in the red, right? Especially the broader market ended with a cut close to 1%, right? So in the broader market, uh, what is happening is a lot of IPOs are also continuously coming into the market. That is kind of absorbing a little bit of the liquidity that is there, right? So that is keeping the overall market in kind of a range or not letting the bulls really go through the roof, right? So this is what is happening in the broader market. Now coming to the important news as well as the charts, what they are telling us, right? So two news, one good, one bad. So first, the good one, the services PMI hits 11-month high in July, almost coming in around 6.5 for the month of July on very strong export orders, that is from Canada, Europe, UAE, right? So the services sector continues to do extremely well, right? Although this is not being reflected in the market because, like I said, most of these uh, big players are not really comfortable with the valuations, especially in the broader market. Plus, the new IPOs that are coming in are kind of taking in a lot of the liquidity, right? So the negative here is retail investors, they have actually pushed up the MTF, that is margin trading funding. They have pushed it to 96,000 crores from 88,000 crores back in July, right? So in August, they have pushed it even higher. So what is happening is since the returns that these guys are making are not as much as what they were making in, let's say, 23, 24, now they are betting bigger on a smaller move to kind of make the same kind of gains. But this is like a dual-edged sword. When you are right, you make money, but let's say you're wrong, what will happen is it can trigger a sell-off as well. Because as these guys are trading with so much margin, if the market starts to trend, what will happen is it is going to trigger a lot of these stop loss, and the market might go in deeper than what it would have without the MTF money, right? So this is about the news. Now looking at the accumulation. So daily there is a little improvement, but nothing strong here. So still the big guys are in wait and watch mode. Now, if you look at the large cap momentum, the momentum is continuously slowing down. From the last 2 days, you can clearly see that there is a drop in momentum, which is making it difficult for the market to rise, right? Now, coming to the mid cap accumulation, here as well, no much improvement. Yesterday, it went up a little, but today again, it is back down. So there is no clarity. The big guys still continue to wait. Same in the momentum as well. It continues to drop lower without any strong reversal for 2 consecutive days. And coming to the small cap accumulation, it has been pretty below average of the last many weeks, you can say, continuously. And it continues to struggle because, especially in the small caps, the big guys feel that the valuations are overstretched. Right? Now, coming to the small cap momentum, again, you see a drop there as well. So the market remains kind of in a bearish mode right now. No real momentum that is kind of pushing it. Neither there is fund flow coming in from the big guys that can actually push the market higher. So we continue to be in a no trade zone, right, for the traders. But a few of these good quality companies which have posted decent set of numbers are cracking, and they should actually be good investments if you can figure them out and kind of invest in them. But as of now, trading is a big no until accumulation as well as the momentum improves. Hope this helps. Thank you.